Me about Pepito, Caillou.
He makes puzzles right.
What else does he do?
And he rides a spaceship with me. And he goes to the airport. Then he goes flying out the airport. And then he flies all the way to my grandma's house.
Where does she live?
And when Pepito's car doesn't work, the tow truck pulls it, and then it works. Then and he has a McQueen just like me.
Hey, where does he live?
In
Where does Pepito live, Kai?
Harnett City.
Alright.